Comparing two software options side by side, an AI voice continues from here. Infinox positions itself as a flexible, execution-focused broker, designed to serve both retail and more experienced traders who want choice without unnecessary friction. The platform supports MT4 and MT5 across desktop, web, and mobile, giving traders access to Forex, indices, commodities, equities, and cryptocurrencies through a familiar trading environment. Execution is built around ECN and STP models, allowing traders to choose between tighter spreads with commissions or commission-free pricing with slightly wider spreads. Liquidity depth is a strong point here, with fast order execution and minimal requotes during normal market conditions, which appeals to scalpers and intraday traders. Infinox also supports advanced tools like copy trading, VPS hosting, and automated strategies, making it suitable for traders who want to scale beyond manual execution or run multiple systems simultaneously with consistent performance. The advantages of Infinox include platform reliability, competitive spreads on ECN accounts, flexible leverage options, and a wide selection of instruments across major and alternative markets. Multiple account configurations allow traders to adapt the setup to their strategy rather than forcing a one-size-fits-all structure. Customer support is frequently mentioned as responsive and helpful, particularly during onboarding, verification, and initial funding stages, which reduces friction for new users. On the downside, higher leverage may not be suitable for inexperienced traders, and some users report that advanced tools and integrations require time to configure properly. While the platform is well-rounded from an execution standpoint, it does not heavily differentiate itself with proprietary analytics, built-in portfolio intelligence, or deep institutional research layers. Infinox was founded in 2009 and has steadily built its reputation as a global broker focused on execution quality and account flexibility rather than aggressive marketing or promotional gimmicks. Over time, it expanded its regulatory footprint and product range, positioning itself as a mid-tier broker that balances accessibility with professional trading features. Its growth has been gradual and consistent, appealing primarily to traders who value platform stability, transparent trade execution, and predictable trading conditions rather than social trading hype or short-term bonuses. Pricing reflects that flexibility. Traders can choose between STP accounts with no commissions and ECN accounts where spreads are tighter and commissions apply per lot. Minimum trade sizes start from micro lot levels, making it accessible for smaller accounts, while leverage options vary depending on jurisdiction and regulatory restrictions. Account types include individual accounts, joint accounts, and corporate accounts, allowing both retail traders and business entities to participate. There are no hidden platform fees for standard trading activity, but optional services such as VPS hosting, premium add-ons, or enhanced execution tools may carry additional costs depending on usage. Overall, Infinox pricing structure prioritizes transparency and choice, allowing traders to pay for execution quality rather than bundled extras they may not need. FBS takes a more accessibility-first approach, aiming to serve beginners and developing traders without locking out experienced users who prefer simplicity over complexity. The platform supports MT4 and MT5 across desktop, web, and mobile, ensuring a consistent experience while keeping system requirements light and performance stable even on lower-end devices. Execution is fast enough for most retail strategies, and the overall trading environment is intentionally streamlined to reduce friction, confusion, and setup time for newer traders. Instrument access spans Forex, indices, commodities, stocks, and cryptocurrencies, with a clear focus on keeping entry barriers low and onboarding smooth. One of FBS's standout strengths is its wide range of account configurations designed around different experience levels and risk tolerances. Traders can start extremely small using cent-based trading, then gradually scale position sizes as confidence and capital grow. This structure makes FBS especially appealing for beginners testing strategies in live conditions without meaningful financial pressure. The platform also provides demo accounts, educational materials, trading calculators, and periodic bonuses or promotions, reinforcing its role as a learning-oriented broker rather than a pure execution venue. The advantages of FBS include very low minimum deposits, fast and generally reliable deposits and withdrawals, a user-friendly setup process, and an approachable learning environment. Many traders highlight how easy it is to open an account and place their first trade within minutes. Customer support is often described as patient and responsive, particularly when assisting with verification or withdrawal-related questions. The trade-offs become more apparent for advanced users as professional-grade tools, deep execution transparency, and institutional style features are limited. High-frequency trading, advanced scalping, and complex automation are not the platform's core focus. FBS was founded in 2009 and has grown into a globally recognized retail broker, particularly popular in emerging markets. Its expansion strategy has emphasized accessibility, marketing reach, and beginner-friendly positioning rather than institutional infrastructure. Over time, this approach has helped FBS build a very large and diverse client base by prioritizing ease of use and low capital requirements. Pricing follows that same philosophy. FBS offers cent accounts for micro-scale trading, standard accounts with floating spreads and no commission, and zero spread accounts where spreads are fixed at zero and commissions are charged per lot. Minimum deposits vary by account type, with cent accounts allowing traders to start with very small balances. Leverage can be high depending on regulation, which can be useful for experienced traders but requires strict risk control. Account ownership is primarily individual, with professional classification available in select regions. Additional costs may apply for swaps, inactivity, or optional services. Looking at independent sentiment, Infinox currently holds a Trustpilot rating of 4.6, with traders frequently praising execution reliability, ECN, account performance, competitive pricing, and smooth withdrawals, alongside occasional comments about platform limitations. FBS holds a Trustpilot rating of 4.3, where users commonly highlight easy onboarding, fast deposits and withdrawals, and helpful customer support, while noting that simplicity can limit advanced trading flexibility. Final takeaway: if you want a flexible, execution-focused broker that supports scaling from manual to automated trading with familiar platforms and balanced pricing, Infinox offers a strong long-term environment. If your priority is low starting capital, ease of use, and a beginner-friendly trading experience backed by responsive support, FBS is built for that path. If this comparison helped clarify which broker fits how you actually trade, hit like, subscribe for more honest broker breakdowns, and click the link below to explore the platform that aligns with your strategy, not just the one with the loudest marketing.